I've always heard that we like traveling because we get to go back home. But what is home? Is it a place, a familiar sound, a color we don't notice anymore, maybe a person, or just a feeling we've learned to call comfort? Comfort is a strange concept. It moves, it evolves. It disappears and reappears in unexpected places. It is what we aim for, but to grow, we need to step out of it. The first time I came to Japan, I had no reference points, no habits to fall back on. Everything was new. Everything felt new. It felt like being a child again. I wandered, I observed. I found a different kind of comfort in being in the moment. In Tokyo, I wasn't searching for familiarity, and yet I found it, surrounded by fragments of life, stories waiting to be told. In that unknown, there was a sense of peace. Maybe comfort doesn't come from what we know. Maybe it comes from how we allow ourselves to experience and share. I cherish alone time. Solitude, as people call it. In silence, distance, disconnection, I find something grounding. Solitude gives you space, and in that space, ideas take shape, emotions surface, and inspiration finds its way in. I always value these moments, the quiet ones, the ones where nothing demands your attention, but in the end, you give them that attention. It doesn't matter if you are in the middle of a crowded city or somewhere far away from everything. Chaos can inspire and stillness can move. So maybe we don't travel to escape, and maybe we don't travel to return either. Maybe we just travel to realize that comfort isn't something we go back to. It might be something we carry, something we create, even in the unknown.
私たちは居場所を求めているのか、それとも感情を求めているのか。